Guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about how you can create a new partition in your laptop or PC. So let's get started and let's get into the video. First of all, you have to search computer management. Here you will find the computer management. You have to click over there and then you have to go into disk management. Here you will find all of the partitions available right now in your computer. For suppose if I want to create a new partition, I am going to click shrink volume. After clicking shrink volume, I am going to select space I want to allocate to the. I am going to shrink some volume about 5000 MBs, which is 5 GBs, from which I am going to create a new partition. Now you have to click shrink. It will take some time. It is not hanging or lagging. It will take some time. So please wait. Now the new partition is created. If I want to create a new partition, then I am going to click new sample volume and then I'm going to click next and hit next, and after that I am going to hit next again. After that I am going to hit next again and click finish. So the new volume is now created. Here you can see, let me show you, the new volume is created. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any other problem, you can share in the comments. If you have any other problem related to tech or Windows 10 or Windows 11, you can comment down below and hit the subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss out any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and hit the like button if you like our video.